Good morning. Welcome back to the channel of Doing What We Do. And today we're going to be making some fresh popsicles out of our mango, oranges, lemons, watermelon, and fresh pineapple. Everything is going to be fresh. The ingredients are going to be fresh. And trust me, your family will enjoy these popsicles. So stay tuned. Welcome back. For now, we have prepared all our fresh fruit. Check it, and of course our lemon juice. And we're going to start making our popsicles. Juicing everything, so here we go. We're going to make this a little smaller just so it can fit in the hole of the juicer here. Alright, so let's get started. Look at all that juicy goodness. Okay, and now this is our finished product. We got 2 containers of juice, fresh juice, and we already sweetened it, and I'm mixing it together now. Now that we're done mixing the sweetener in there and mixing this all up together, we're going to put it in the cups so it'll be easier to pour into our popsicle molds, okay? First we're going to start with you. Look at all of that. That looks delicious. Wow. So this time we have, this makes 8 cups right here, 8.5, because we still have more left. Alright, so we're going to start pouring it into our popsicle molds here. And remember, do not fill them all the way up, because if you do, you may not have room to expand, okay? It's going a little bit too fast there. First time that happened. Got a chunk of fruit in it. Your family would enjoy these popsicles. They are nutritious. They are actually all organic, real fruit, and no artificial flavors or colorings. So this is good for all the family of all ages. Look at that, how beautiful that is. And when this freezes, it's going to make a beautiful orange reddish color. It's going to be beautiful. It's going to taste just as good as it looks too. Now that we've filled our molds up, take a look. And we're going to put our tops on them and put our sticks in them. Make sure your top is good and secure. And remember, you can always get these molds. They're very cheap and they're worth it. All right. You can get these molds anywhere. Don't stick them too far down, because you do want to be a popsicle. So we have large and small popsicles. And there we go. Now that the sticks are in the popsicle molds, now we just have to put them in the freezer. Be careful because this is liquid. 1 and 2. Like I said, be careful because it is liquid. And 2. And there we go. We'll see you when they're done. Now we're going to see our final product. All right, let's take a look, everybody. Look at that. All right, I'm going to taste one. This is really, really good. All right, everyone, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and try this at home. Thank you.